Yes.
Which is the National Housing Corporation, and I have the chair. I want to say
the presence of our cast,
So, Waziri, we have a national titling program that is processing and issuance of titles. This is a program also that we had started, and we have even gone across the country with His Excellency the President to issue titles. Land, we all know, is very emotive, and we have realized this is a document that is key and very important to Kenyans. So, as I had earlier briefed you, this is a program that I will encourage you to continue with it.
Water service providers have very big challenges of funding and governance issues. You will find those as your first areas of also attention, because the kind of strategy that we have put in place to increase bulk water storage, meaning harvesting and storage, will also require stronger water service providers. I believe also our water works development agencies also require more strengthening capacity in terms of personnel. Those are some of the areas that you will find very, very needy.